Hey guys, welcome back to Big Giant Tech. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment on my YouTube page. And this is new, this is wonderful. This is an any website script, and this is the front end. This is also the user dashboard section, as you can see, which is nice and is well designed by Big Giant Tech only. As you can see, this is a customized design which has multiple features of editing. If you want to notice and understand how we're able to achieve most of this result, just message me on WhatsApp to get more on this script and how much is it. Is affordable, what is quality. Also, stick to the end of this video to understand how we're able to install and make use of this website. See you guys in the next segment. Hey guys, welcome back to Big Giant Tech. Now in this video section, I want to show you guys how to install your any website. Now this is customized by Big Giant Tech. Now you get this anywhere online. Now this is advanced. It has a comprehensive designs and also a comprehensive games, casino, and different kind of designs from how to get your any legit business website started. Alright, I'm using Hostinga for this video section. Now if you want to get these scripts, you must have to use a good hosting which has resources. Now I recommend Hostinga. Now if you want to get Hostinga for a cheap amount, please message me on WhatsApp or use my link in my bio to get Hostinga for an affordable price, which is very important in order to use this script. And you can also install the script on the VPS hosting for more scalability in terms of users experience. Alright, now I'm using Hostinga Cloud for these designs. Now this might work if you're using cPanel for even a lesser version where I customize it to, but there is a but. If you use cPanel with lesser version, after some while it will stop working because of the load and resources it carries. So ensure to use Hostinga Cloud, a larger host. And if you want to get Hostinga Cloud, please message me on WhatsApp. Alright, the next section here is go to your file manager. Now as you can see, this is my domain name, which is empty. Then once you come to your Hostinga, go to public_HTML or your add-on domain. Now if you're new to cPanel, go to the top right corner in your cPanel. That is a file manager. Click on it, then click on show all privileged file. There will be a pop-up. Okay. Then next section you click on upload. Let me select my file. So this is it. Now this is my zip file. I'll click open. So while this is uploading, let's go to our dashboard. Ensure to create a company email account. I've done mine. Once you create your email account, save information on your notepad, put your email and also your password. And the next section is go to database wizard or database. Let me just fill out this information. So I've created mine. Now before you click on create, if you're using cPanel, after you've done this information where you put your password, there will be a pop-up which shows click on all privileges. Ensure to do that. Click on all privileges. Okay, then after you've done that, click on create. Now I'm clicking create because I'm using Hostinga. Now Hostinga does those other sections for you without going through this process. The next section is go to your PHPadmin or enter PHPadmin. So I'll go to my DB, which is my database. I'll go to import. Then I'll choose my file. So this is my database, my database SQL. I'll click open and import this. As you can see, it went successful. So I'll click on structure. This is good. So go to your public_HTML. As you can see, our file has been uploaded successfully. And what next you just have to do is extract this. Since I'm using a Hostinga, I'll just have to put a folder name and extract. Now double click on the folder, select all and move this back to my public_HTML, or move it back to your add-on domain. So I'll just delete my folder and also the zip file. Good. So your .env, change the permission to 600 and update this. Now go to your edit your .env. Now do not, if you want to put your name, do not keep space. Do not do that, okay? Do not do that. So for instance, my website name here is earning. So do not keep space for your app name. Do not keep space. Now for your website link, which is your URL, copy your domain URL and paste your domain URL here. Remove the slash behind it. Then copy your DB, your database information we created. Here will be your DB. Here will be your user. Then your database password. So after you've done this, just click word save. Now your PHP version should be 8.2. Okay, 8.2. Then reload this section. Voila. So guys, this is the script. This is customized by Big Giant Tech. You won't get this exact script anywhere online. Okay, this is a work that I have to do to ensure I create something different. Now you can see all the information this has. This has different games. It also has automatic payment gateway. Just Paystack. If you have Paystack information, just have to link your Paystack secret key API key to your website. It has different way of collecting. So I will show you guys how to actually do this. Now this is the front end of the website, as you can see. Good. Now the next section here is how we're able to log in admin. So let me just open a new tab. So I had to open a new Chrome for this information. Okay, so your admin here will be your domain name / admin, and this is for admin information. Then go to your database information, then locate. So you won't be able to locate admin. Now locate users, because this is a Libraries to Filament version 3 script. Then this is the admin information. So edit this now. So once you come to the user side, go to admin, put your admin email you created, then here just change this to your password. Then for the password section, do not encrypt, just scroll down to where you have password _hash, then you go to where, click on go. So I'll go back to my admin login and so I'll copy my admin email and put my password here. Then click on sign in. As you can see, we've successfully signed into the admin side, which is good. And the next section here is go to email settings. So once you come to email settings, go to ensure to leave it as SMTP mailer. So change this your mail host to, if you're using Hostinga, so yours will be smtp.hostinga.com. If you're using different kind of hosting, once you create your webmail, the very first email you get in your webmail is your mail configuration settings. So just go to SMTP outgoing server and put your information there. So I'll put my email, then my company password I created. I'll paste it here. Also paste your information again, and here will be your email, which is your company name. So ensure to do this, very important. We'll click save settings, and this is good. You can also test connection. This is for investment email. Now if you click on test connection, successful. Then go to your email. As you can see, the email is working perfectly fine. So due to some things, I was unable to achieve emails for all the websites. Get it? So I have to just compromise on some. Now the very first thing I want to show you guys is buy coupon. Now users cannot register without having a coupon. That's how I did it. Now I added my WhatsApp number here. For instance, user click on this, it takes us to WhatsApp. Now the very first thing you do, come to where you have coupon agent. Now this is coupon agent. Then click on new coupon agent. You can add new coupon agents. For instance, let me add right firms. Let me just put here as BF firms. Then put the WhatsApp number. Then you add the description, instant payment. Then put this as active. And if you have multiple users, just have to have different coupon agents where users can also purchase from. Response time 1 minute. Available coupons, 8,000 coupons available. Then click on create. And once I go to coupon agent, be able to see IDs. Let me go back here and reload this section. Now go back to this bright here. For the avatar here should be email, but just remove this and save changes. So you should not use the abbreviation of the names. So once you click on this, user click on this, it takes them to the WhatsApp of the coupon agent. So that's how you add coupon agents, which is mandatory. Then go back to the website itself. As you can see, this is the front end, which is nice. Alright, we have banks. We go to banks. Now this banks is for users that want to withdraw through the bank section. I've added a lot of banks here, as you can see. Go next. In case you do not see the bank you want to add, just go to next. Add it up. If you want to add new bank, click on new bank and just add the bank name to this. Let me say cheaper cash. Now click on create. So if we go to banks again, be able to see that in the, let me just click show 25. Okay, as you can see, let me click on next. You can see cheaper cash, right? So this is how you add bank. If you go to categories, now this category you have tutorials and entertainment, okay, for video section. Now go to coupons. Now if you want to add coupons, do not generate. If you generate bulk coupons, there will be much coupons. So you want to understand how you're able to do it. Now one coupon for one user, you get it. You can give every user a welcome coupon. Now for instance, if you say generate single coupon, you can see it gives a discount of 1,000. If you generate bulk everywhere with food with coupons, like example, generate bulks, then let me just put here as 50, then number of coupons, which is the maximum of 10. Okay, submit. As you can see, we've generated 10 coupons under the price of 50 naira. Okay, this is in naira. Or if you're using dollars, you just have to change the symbol to dollars. It's the same process. Now you go to profiles. Now this profile is for user section. Good. Go to referrals. There's no referrals. Okay, this is support tickets. Now this is for the previous user. Okay, before I continue again, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment to my YouTube videos. So let's make this interesting. Let me go to user section. Now for instance, I was invited by another user, which is very important. Now this website, someone needs to invite you in order to get access, but this is at any website. Everybody ends in this website. Then once I click on create account, now you can see coupon code is required. Referral code is also optional but also required. But let me just flag this information. So I have to use a strong password here, but it should be 8 characters. Now the referral code, let me say, okay, this user referred me. So I have an existing user already, so I just want to show you guys how it works. So I'm being referred by this user, so I'll just put it here. Then the coupon code, now you can see someone can register an account without a coupon code, meaning you have to send them a welcome bonus coupon code. So this is it. I'll just do this like this, and or you can also make this coupon code optional. It's still the same process. You need a coupon code. They click here, it takes them to how to buy coupon code. So once they purchase it and they want to register, you send them the coupon code. So that's how it is, like funding the account. So now way to fund the account. Now click register. So as you can see, I got an error here. Let me go back to my website. Go to emails. Go to email settings. Let's see. Okay, you can see the problem here. My mail password is incorrect. So let me copy my password again. And this is the exact password. Okay, I'll click save settings. As you can see, this is it. So the issue here is my password is not saving most of the information. Now what I would just have to do is go back to your management section. Let me change my email password. So I want to explain something real quick. As you can see, my email password, it has this information, which it has hash, star and @ sign, which might not work. Okay, now this is what you just have to do. Ensure you remove just remove the @ symbol. Let me just do something like this. Good. So I'll just come back here, copy this information, and let me just change this to the new email. Let's see. Now I'll come back here and change this. Like, you can see what I did, right? Just like this. It's not hard hash or asterisk. Then click save settings. Let me go back here, and if you view here, you're able to see it, right? Let me come back here and reload this section. We confirm this. As you can see, this is how it works. Why that shows? Because our email did not correspond with what we have here in the email settings. So I've done that and show you guys how it works. It works perfectly well. So if you go to your email, let me reload here. As you can see, this is our email, verify email address. This is how it is. So I'll click on verify email address. Good. So guys, this is the front end of this website, which is now you can see the welcome bonus. Now you're able to see 1,000, right? Now come to system settings. Good. So once you go to system settings, now this place is very I want to put it, very fragile in a way that if you do some things here, it might affect the full website. So you just have to watch this video well on what to edit and what not to edit. So click on this site's name here and just edit the value to your site's name. let me just change this to either instead of B Giant Tech, let me change this to let me just leave it this way. So let me go back to my .env. I did this, and okay, this is earning. So let me just take this to earning. So save changes. Then go back to system settings. Now we have welcome bonus of 500, referral bonus of 1000. Now this might not really matter. So let me reload this section again. So go back to the home section here. You can see the names has been changed successfully. So that's how it works basically here. Good. So we've done this for the user side. Now users can also claim daily bonus. Let me claim now. As you can see, you have successfully claimed your daily reward. Once I reload here, the daily reward is 105 naira, as you can see. So this is how it works basically. Now users has a lot to do. Now what next is, I want to show you guys something else. So we've talked for the coupons and profiles. Now go back to user side. Now users can switch from show their referral balance and earnings. So let me click here, the menu section. We have payments with secure gateway, which is Paystack. I have to link just Paystack to this, okay, because of time frame. Now the next section is go to user profile. Now users are able to put their phone number, then their Telegram handle. So input WhatsApp number, TikTok. Okay, here should be social links, sorry. Oh, here should be social links. If they have social links of WhatsApp, Twitter or X, and Facebook or TikTok, just paste it there, and that's it. And this is for security. They can also change their password, and this is withdrawal history. So for now there's no withdrawal history, so we're good to go. Go back to admin section. As you can see, we're getting the hang of it. Alright, so if we go to admin section here, we have this is for user banks. If user wants to withdraw, this is what you see. Now go to users, admin. You have to see all the users here. Now you can add any users as admin, but I won't suggest you do that mistake. You can also log in as user, also phone the user wallet, and if you click on edit on this particular user, you're able to see user email is verified. This is add balance, this is credit, user credit. You can add to this. Okay, referral claim, no referral claim for now. So for now I'll just leave this way. Okay, so this is user tax. Now the next section is come to tax. Let's add a tax to this. Now I added a tax here, so let me go to Google. So this is so I'll just have to see my website. So what I just have to do is I want to tell users to come to this website here. Okay, let me just go to a product. Okay, so let me click on this product now. So I'll go back to my tax any website. Let me create a new tax. So the tax ID, now the tax you are creating is for each particular users. It's not for all users. You get it? Now let me just select a user here. You want to get the user ID, go to users, now this user is number 4. Okay, so the last user that I referred, you're able to say, okay, this is referred by this 4. Now this is this user, and to get the user here, okay, I didn't have the user ID. So if you go to database, as you can see, this is number 4, which is the ID. Maybe the next updated version have to put those things, but if you're there, you're able to understand what I'm talking about. This is the user here, 4. So I'll go back to the tag section and create new tags. Sorry, this user will be number 5. Let me reload this section. Let me go to users. Now this is number 8 users, as you can see. So here will be 8, and the title here is purchase script. I'll put the link here. Purchase and 80,000 naira. Platform, the giant tech. Now is required to show you proof. It's premium and it's verified. It's verified meaning the users has verified the email already. You get it? And this is the user ID. So this should be available. I'll click create. Okay, the reward now for this is let me put 80,000 and create. Good. So once user comes to tax, now let's see, and this is the previous tax. Okay, I know what to do. Now you can see here, now this is the tax I added for the first user. Now users can also do the same tax also. That's what I'm saying. So what you just have to do now is, if I remove is verified and save changes, let's go back here and reload. Okay, as you can see, purchase scripts, you see 100 naira. Once you click on start tax, it takes you here, it takes the user here. Once user have purchased and they come back, you can see. So this purchase script section here, I would suggest you write this here also and save changes. Once I reload here, you just able to see. Once I click verify, purchase script, and you can see how it is. So let me upload a payment proof. So I've uploaded it. I'll just click on submit proof. As you can see, this is pending. Now what I notice here now is users can also perform any of the tax. Now this tax is being created for the first user. I can also perform this tax also and do the same process. Now once you go back to admin, go to user tax. Now this is users tax, as you can see. You click on edit this. We'll go back again. So click on edit and you copy this. So this tax says, if you get to say it, you're able to see completed, right? Click on edit this and copy this. So what you just have to do is to see the proof for the user, just your domain name slash storage slash public slash app slash public, then you paste what you copy in. So this will be the proof of the user. Once you see the proof of user payment, then you go to that particular task. As you can see, this is completed. It shows completed here. Once you reload, the user reload this section here. So instead of completed, let me just put this as so just change this as what claimed, meaning this user have claimed this. Then you save changes, then go back and reload. You won't see it here. Once you reload here, you won't see it. Then go to completed task. You can see completed. Once I go back to the dashboard, as you can see, once you go back to the dashboard, what you just have to do is you have to fund that user. And how to fund that user? You can fund user through vouchers. You can send user vouchers. You get it. But I won't do that. Go to user section. Then this particular user. Then click on fund wallet. Fund the wallet of this user. Now to positive to add, negative to subtract. If you want to subtract, it will be minus. Then if it was positive, just leave it as positive. Okay. Now this is for negative. I want to remove from the user balance. You get it. So I want to fund this user with 80,000. Then I'll click confirmed. So once I reload the user dashboard, as you can see, so this is how it works basically. Okay. So what next is we have games here. We have spin and wheel. So users can play spin and wheel. The spin, you can see spin now. Now the spin price is 100 naira per spin. So you didn't win. So definitely 100 naira will be deducted from the user, as you can see. Then let me spin again. So they can spin just 29 times per day. You can see. Let me spin again to see if I win. Now this is just a gaming section. As you can see, let me try again. So I want 200 naira. As you can see, I want 200 naira. So this is how the spin works. Let me go back to dashboard. Now what next? We have guessing game. Because I click on play now. Now this is to guess number, and the cost per guess is 200 naira. So let me just say, okay, I want to guess. Your guessing is from 1 to 50. So let me just say 30 and submit guess. Guess is too high. I've made one attempt already. Let me change this to okay. Let me say 45. Okay, too high. Let me say 4. Too low. So users can wrap their head around this game. You can choose for easy to medium to hard, as you can see. So let me just keep on trying. Let's see. So let me just select from here. So let's keep playing. So let me say again. And the sum of 3 digits. Okay. So as you can see, this guessing game is kind of hard. Click on submit guess. Game over. As you can see, your funds is being also reducing. So it just gives the user time to be able to play more games, as you can see. And we also have watch and earn. And this place, users can also earn points. Now, how to get this section? You can see my videos here. And this is the initial categories. Go to admin. Go to categories. Now you can add more categories if you have other things you want to add to it. Categories, logs, and icon. Okay, it's easy to do. Okay, so go to videos. Now you can see the videos here. Or what you just have to do is go to new videos and select option. You can select user, but it doesn't matter because it shows for all users. Okay, because this video is selected for a particular, but it shows for all users because you use the same reference from that particular, so you're able to see all if that first user will see. That's how it works. So you add categories, select user. Let me say so you select the particular user you want to add for. I added for the first user. That's why you're seeing all this information. You get it. So this is the point reward and required time to watch, pending, approve, and credit. So for instance, I come to this section. Now if you want to get this, it's easy to do. Just follow what I did. Go back to the video section, then any of this particular video, click on edit and store this. So I saved the videos file for admin users, not a particular user. So it's for admin, meaning everybody coming to the platform must surely be under admin. So this is what I did. Just follow this section and be able to understand better. You can add credit use, the amount of credit users will be able to use to watch, and so this is for 30 days. Okay, so once I come to this user side, so let me just select a video. Let me select this AI video. So as you can see, this is how it works. So once I click play, so definitely the watch time start counting.
Hey guys, welcome back to Big China Tech.
Because this is being triggered by the play button
to achieve an awesome AI talking video, which is good. Now I want to show you guys this is easy. Now in order to use this, you have to have a Canva Pro plan. Now neglect any links you see online going to send you to different kind of links to just be able to get Canva Pro. That's the wrong way. We've been using that before. There's nothing to achieve there because you're not getting the right information when searching for your right links. And to get Canva Pro is very cheap and affordable. So just come to your Canva Pro. Once you register with Canva, go to this icon here, which is your profile. Go to plan and prices. So this is Canva
as you can
Pro.
see,
as you can see, this is for a year, or you can be paying for a month per month. Now this is the monthly price. If you're in Nigeria, it is 2.8. If you're in overseas, it's not up to.
Good. Now this watch time shows 60 seconds. Then users can claim points. Point already claimed. As you can see, users can also share and earn extra points. You can also share to WhatsApp. Share to the WhatsApp group to also earn extra points. So that's how it works. As you can see. So once I go back to video shares, how many people share the video? You can see this is your share to WhatsApp. What I just did, you get it. Video views, let's say 60 seconds. As you can see, 60 seconds and claim. This user has claimed it. So that's how it works on video views. So let me go back to our dashboard. Now users have successfully claimed the point. So what next is let's say what next we have to do here. We've done that with the wash and earn. I've shown you guys about the tax and earn. Then go to read and earn. Now read and earn is very easy to do. Now this has to do with blog post blogging. So go to your what, so I want to say WordPress. Go to your admin, go to posts. So I have added post already. For example purpose, click on new post. You put the post title. For example, the post title and the slug is the same thing. Just click on it. After you've put your post title, then click on the post on the slug. Then this should be the content, and the point reward here, let me say 50. For share, point reward 20. I'll click create. Now once you create that, next is go to quizzes, then go to new quiz, select there your post you created, which is the question here, and you put the answer just for example purpose. Let me just say A. There will be B. You get it? So for example purpose, so this is what I'm doing. There will be D. Then you come down and choose the particular answer. I'll just say A and create. So this is how you create your post and how you create a quiz. Then I'll go back to the user section. Then I'll click on, now let me reload this post section here. As you can see, the new post we added, right? If you click on start learning, you can see how the post is. So let me go back to the other lessons, then click on this. Then you add the content. You can see the sharing point and the normal point of reward. Then users can come here and click start quiz to end point. So after you've read this article, what you read in the article is what you get in your questions. So let me just select my answer. I added 2 questions. You want to add 2 questions to this. It's easy. Let's say, now this is option 1. Let me go back to quizzes. Now if you go to quizzes, this particular quiz, let's say, okay, let me edit this. Then if you add another option, okay, this is another option for this. So go back to post, go to this quiz. You can see one quiz is active. Okay, go to new quiz again. Now you want to add multiple question and answer in one particular post. After you add the first one, go to another quiz, do the same thing. Just mark that same particular post, put your question and your answer. So once users come to this section, you'll be able to see question 1 and question 2. So that's how it works. Then I'll click submit quiz. As you can see, this has been submitted. Then once you come to admin, go to quiz results. Now you can see the username for this chain, love it. Then you click on edit this. Then for you to score this user, it's 2 questions, 3, which is the answer. I'll just come here and put 1 and 2. As you can see, if it is 50, if it is 1, it won't be passed because user failed. So I'll just put this as 2 and save changes. So definitely users, as we receive is point, is our point. If you go to point transaction, now we don't have, let me go to point. Okay, now come back again, come to, users can also share the post to earn more points. Let me come back again to point transaction. Now what you just have to do is to add a point to this user. All the points the users get from the reward points, user got the first 50. Then add, let me just say, okay, user got 150 points. I'll click submit. So once I reload here, let me go back again. You can see the user point, right, 150. The user have a total point of 150. So this is how the post dashboard works, the post earning works. Now users can also redeem social codes. Go to redeem. Now this is voucher. They can also claim voucher. Get it. Now voucher, it might give a user a voucher depending on a particular tax. You can also send a user a voucher for a particular tax user did. Okay, like the one I said 80,000, you might not fund the wallet, you might just come and give them as a voucher. For instance, go to your admin. This is vouchers. So create a new voucher for this user. Let me just say tax 78, maximum claim for 5 users, amount 80,000. You get it? 0 claims. Do not add any claims here. Then make this active. Let me just copy this and click on create. Then this voucher is another way to add funds to the user. It makes this fun. So once I come here, I paste my voucher and click on claim vouchers. Voucher claim successful, as you can see. Let me go back to dashboard. So we've claimed our voucher, which is awesome. So we can go back and click what fund the user account for that voucher user created. You get it? So this is how it works basically. So most of everything is manual. To change this to your Telegram, go back to admin, go to your file manager, go to public_html, go to resources, go to views. Now to edit the front end, right, go to LiveWire, then go to front, go to index.blade. Now this index.blade is this front end here. So this is where you change. You can also edit your Telegram, just locate it, index.blade, Control F for Telegram. So you just change this to your Telegram link. So the other one, we have Telegram in the user dashboard. This is user dashboard. So go back again to your file manager, go to LiveWire resources, go to users, then user dashboard. Also change the Telegram, Control F on Telegram. So this is the Telegram link. Okay, so this is how you change it and how you edit your front end. So we've done that for the redeem and claim, and it's going well. Also come to another fun game. We have gems. So users can also collect gems. Now we have no active gems yet. So if I go to these gems, is 16 naira, the value of 80,000. So let me go to purchase. Front of purchase value, purchase any gem. Go to, it takes you to open a gem shop. So we need to complete the first silver before we can proceed to the levels. So if I click on purchase gem, you can see purchase, right? So go back to admin. So once you come to admin, go to user gems. You can see this user ID 8, user gems. It lasts for a month. Then if you go to gems, you can add more gems. Go to add new gems. Let me just put these gems as here. Amount for these gems here is let me say it's 500. The value here is it's 300,000. Level here, it should be level 4. Special gems. Purchase limit 8 purchase limit, and users can purchase it 8 times. The reward point here is 890,000 naira a point. So I click create. As you can see, this is the gems. So once I reload here, go to open shop, you can see users can also purchase another level of these gems, and so on and so forth. Now purchasing gems is very good. It gives user more advantage and more collective of funds. So let me reload these gems here. As you can see, so once user purchase a gem, when we go to user gems, once user purchase a gems, what next you have to do? If you come to edit on that particular gem, you can see it's active, right? So you just go to the user point, or you can send user a voucher, and then redeem their voucher, or fund user wallet with a coupon. You get it, you send them a coupon to fund their wallet. That's how it works. And this gem is another fun place for users to just catch fun. So if I go back to dashboard, so we have casino. So users can come to casino and also play games. We have dice, slots, card, and roulette games. Let me just go for dice game. And users can bet. Just bet 600. Let me put 600. Sorry, let me play again. You can see I won. So let me try card game. So users can just come and bet for card game. Let me put let me say 30,000 and let me play. See, user lost the game. You can see it is. Once you come to admin section here, if you go to games, you can, this is the games here which I've added already. If you come to bet history, this is it. This is it. You can see the user bets history. If you go to games, you can edit the games minimum bet amount and maximum bet amount, and that's how it works. Basically, that's how it works. So that's that. Go back to dashboard. What next here is, let's say, so there are a lot of things for users to do, which is too wide. Users can also focus on the referral. Let's say users can focus on the referral package, referral, and click to invite a friend. Once they copy this, they're able to share, and once the user register using their promo code, they get rewarded. Continual process, and this is a wonderful way to earn. So once I go back to dashboard, last but not the least, the investments part, which is the purchase, the investment plan. Now these are investment plans. So this comes with email. I have to do this for users to get emails. So what next here is, go to investment plans here, admin section. Now you can add more plans to this. Go to new investment plan, and let me put this as VVIP plan. Put this here in the description. Minimum amount here is 600,000 to $1 million. Percentage here is, let me say, is 255. Return type is, if you put it weekly, it will every week for users will be able to see a new return. So let me just put this as daily for 3 days and create. Okay, it's above 100, so let me just put this as 95. So if you go back to investment plans, you're able to see it. So let me go back to this section and reload. So once user creates investment, they will get an email. That's what I did. I have to add email to that. But while customizing, I left out some details, because any website has the way it works. So let me just go to premium plan. So let me select the amount I want to invest. Let me say let me say 20,000. So this is for 7 days, as you can see. I'll click invest now. Investment created successfully. Let's see. investment plan created successfully. Because user get an email on their investment plans, which is good. So I have to do this for the investment section. Now you just, as you can see, this is pending. There's no date already. I didn't need to approve this. So you go to user investment, then activate this. Yes, activate. So once you activate the user also get an email for activation. You can see the start date and end date. Activation email, your investment is active. Now this is the amount they will earn per day for the 7 days. You understand? So what next is, once you come to investments, now if you go to the edit on that particular user, you will be able to add returns. Why? Because what I did was, users were able to calculate the return per day for users. Once you click calculate return today, you will see return successfully. You have to wait for another day before the return will be processed. So what I would advise is your percentage you're adding should be, if user invests 100, so your percentage should be in your investment plan should be moderate. Okay, then this is it. Let me go back to the email. You can see investment successfully funded. So every day you fund the users will get emails. As you can see, this is manual process. So if I click calculate return again today, it won't work. You can see it won't work until the next day. So that's how it should be. Let me reload here. So that's how the investment plan works, and it's perfect. So let me go back to dashboard. So I've showed you guys that section. Now the other section here is purchase credit. So users have no credit here. Users can purchase credit. So let me say, okay, I want to purchase this credit, and credit amount, let's say let me go back to purchase. So you just can choose the amount of credit they want to purchase. You can see this is pending. Once you click on edit and change this to keep it as pending until users make payments. And I can say, okay, users come to purchase credit. What next is, if I will continue this process, let me show you guys what next. Come to Paystack configuration. So you need to have a Paystack ID in order for Paystack to work. So I inputted my Paystack test key. So this is just the test key information. If you come to edit this section, put in your own Paystack test key. You get it? Put in your own Paystack test key. Now for your Paystack callback URL, which is your webhook, should be your domain name /payment/callback. If you are purchasing this script, there is a documentation you'll be able to see it there. So this is your test key information. When you go to paystack.co, go to Paystack. Now this is Paystack. I added Paystack automatic payment gateway here. Okay, go to Paystack and make payments. Create an account with Paystack. It works for all countries. So after you've done Paystack, users can come to this section and fund account. Let me pay with secure payment gateway. That takes them to this section. Let me put an amount. Now this is for testing. Let me say credit. Proceed to payments. Now you can see this is test. Let me put success and pay 50,000. Users can pay with bank transfer. As you can see how it is, payment successful. You get it. So once I come to transactions, you'll be able to see transactions. So once users have made payments, users also get their, you can see receipts for Paystack. Now this is the testing. It's a test transaction, so I have to put it there for users to test. So once you've seen this, just come to or any kind of funding So go back to the user section again. Users can pay through this system. Users can pay, you can also fund their wallets through coupon code. So you can also send users coupon code to put here, another way to fund their wallet. So it's just still the same process. Then you come to purchase. Then mark here as complete payment. Then you go to fund the user account. So as I go back to dashboard. So go to dashboard, go to purchase credit. You can see 8,000. So this is how it works basically. This is how it works. Now all these are just fun ways to enable the website and users to be able to do more things without having so much difficulties. You get it? Now this is advanced and this is limited to nothing. It has unlimited ways and usage. Good. So if you still want to withdraw amounts, see, before I continue this section, go to admin, go to the users, then the particular user, go to edit. So this is add balance, this is user balance. Okay, you can, this is the credit, user credit, it's still the balance. You can add funds to all this, it's still the same process. Good. So users can withdraw through BTC. So this is withdraw with user can also put their BTC wallet and submit. This is their wallet history. So as you come to admin, go to wallet, you can see the particular user ID for this user, and also users can, let me show you guys on our withdraw section. We'll click on withdraw, so they can withdraw their active earnings and also referral earnings, as you can see. So you can also convert the points for users, convert the credit also to balance for users to be able to withdraw. So once user come to link bank account, now the bank account we created, as you can see there here. Let me just go to cheaper cash, for instance, put my number, my account number for cheaper cash, then the account name. Then save bank details. So as I come to withdraw, I want to withdraw 8,000 from my active earnings and submit withdrawal. The minimum withdrawal amount is 10,000 naira. So let me just say 10,000. Now click on submit withdrawal. Pending withdrawal, as you can see. If you come to withdrawals now from the admin section, look at this withdrawal here. Now you can view the bank details and pay the user. Once you make payment to the user, then you just come and click on approve and confirm. So users will be able to receive the amount and you can see withdraw approved. So that's basically how it is. Go to settings again, system settings. So let me go back to withdrawals. Let's see. Okay. So if you come to this users, just put a transaction ID for the user. It's very important. So basically we've touched down all. Last but not the least, go back to menu. Let's see, go to support. Now you can chat support, create a new support ticket. Hello. Now you can upload your issue and just submit tickets. As you can see, hello. So as I come to submit tickets here, So you're able to reply the user. Let me say quick reply. Hello brother, and submit. And let me reload here. So you can chat with the admin from this section, as you can see. So you can also chat with the admin, continue processing the information. So that's how it was, guys. So I believe I've touched down every part of this website smoothly. So we've talked for the betting, we talked for the games and points. So we talked for down with everything. This is point transactions, as you can see. You can create a transaction for this user. So basically I've added almost all the informations. Now this is Big Giant Tech Earnings Credit version 3. Version 4 and 5 will be coming soon, but it's not now. Okay, there are other designs to be made before then. So guys, if you like this crate, please hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment on my YouTube channel, Big Giant Tech. See you guys in the next video.